Okay, I'm going to show you how to replace the filter for, this is an Aquasana 20-inch whole house filter. There's two of them, one here and the smaller one over there. And you have to replace both of them every 3 months. Alright, so this one obviously is dirty. You can tell by the color. And first thing that you need to do is locate your wrench. That's the wrench that came with it. Alright, so keep it close and make sure that you have it each time you need to replace. Second thing you need to do is turn off your water source both ways. The one that is going to your faucet inside the house and the one that is coming in from the city or from your well. Alright, so my water that comes from the city goes inside my water softener, and I turned it off by flipping these two valves to the middle. So when this points together, it's off to the middle. Alright, so once you get that off, make sure you also turn off the water that goes to the house. This was straight like this, upwards. I'm not gonna turn it on right now because I already have it unhooked. And then I just turn it perpendicular. That means it's completely shut off. Alright, then next you take the wrench, go from the bottom up, and then you turn it to the left here, which is basically counterclockwise, okay, to loosen it. And once you loosen it, wait for the pressure. So you're gonna hear the pressure releases and the water is gonna come down about 3 inches or so and stop going down. Wait for about 5 minutes, make sure that the water comes down to that level, and then you can unscrew this. So it takes about 3 minutes for the water to come down to that level. Alright, once you unscrew it, just go to the sink and dump it out and replace it. Alright, so I have a bucket here. I'm just going to pour it, the water to the bucket, catch the filter, don't let it fall out. This is the dirty filter, and just leave it there. Okay, and I'm gonna get the new filter and we're gonna put it on. I'm also gonna take this opportunity to wash this real quick. It has some sediments. Alright, so inside there is a kind of like a spindle that you need to make sure that it goes into the hole in the middle right here. Alright, so once you do that, just keep it up. Uh-oh, I forgot to mention one thing. Have a bucket in here because right now there's some water dripping. Make sure you have a bucket here so that the water drips into your bucket while you're changing the filter. All right. Another thing to mention, obviously there's another spindle on top of here. Make sure that's aligned, otherwise you're not going to be able to screw it in. All right, so now just hold it up with one hand here and make sure you got the thread lined up. You will know when the thread is lined up because it's really easy to turn. Don't force anything. Okay, it's easier or better to have this one hand at the bottom to kind of support it. Make sure it's straight while you're fastening this thing. Okay, just hand tighten it first until you get to a point where it's tight enough with the hand. Then just use the wrench and you would want to just tighten it just a little bit more. Make sure you support your pipe when you're doing this last part. Again, don't tighten it too much. Okay, that should be enough. Alright, next we are going to change the smaller filter, which is that right there. Same procedure. This time we're gonna probably put a bucket there to contain it. So just use the same wrench, come over here And let me double check to make sure that we have turned off the water here too. Yep. All right. So we twist this way to the left and water is coming out. Okay, let's get it back. Okay, this is the dirty filter from the small one. And this container looks pretty clean. Okay, so we get a new filter now and put it in here. Okay, this is, oh. Okay. This one also have that middle circle. Make sure it goes to the middle. And make sure that also goes to the middle here and make a good seal. And then spin it clockwise. Okay, get the wrench and okay, that should be good. All right, so now we're gonna turn the water back on. It was this one, back on, and this one. On. All right, that's all back on. And then this guy right here, back on this way. No leak. Okay. Alright, let's turn it all the way. Okay, went there also. No leak. It would be a good idea to put a sticky note like this to remind you when is the last time that you changed the filter. This is today's date. So far so good. And then now let's restore the water. Off, on. Yeah, should be this way. It's alert. Oh, is it this way? Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. That's it. All right, that should be it. Just need to clean up and check for leaks. Mine is not leaking at all, which is good. So hopefully you find this video useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.